In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for Turbotax and create your account for 2025 in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and go to the official Turbotax website. Make sure you're on the correct site to keep your information secure. Next, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the homepage. Since we're creating a new account, click Create an Account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, choose a strong password, and provide some basic personal details. Make sure your information matches your tax documents for a smooth filing experience. After filling in your details, read and accept the terms and conditions, then click Create Account. Turbotax will send a confirmation email to verify your account. Open the email and click the verification link to complete your sign-up. Once verified, you can log into Turbotax, access your dashboard, and start preparing your taxes for 2025. And that's it. Signing up is quick, easy, and secure. Your Turbotax account is now ready for all